Ever accidentally uploaded a document with extra pages you don't need in Docusign? Today, I'm going to show you the super quick and easy way to delete a specific page, like that pesky second one, directly from your Docusign envelope. First, log into your Docusign account and navigate to the envelope containing the document you need to edit. Once you have the envelope open, locate and click on the correct button. This will allow you to modify the document before sending it out for signatures. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll see a list of all the pages in your document. As thumbnails, find the second page, or whichever page you want to delete in that list. Hover your mouse over the thumbnail of the page you want to remove. You should see 3 dots appear. This is the options menu. Click on those 3 dots and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, simply select delete. Docusign will then ask you to confirm if you really want to delete this page. Click yes or confirm, depending on the exact wording of the prompt. And that's it. The second page is now gone. You can now proceed to send out your document, knowing it's exactly as you intended.